Good day everyone, I am Eileen Ralion. I am here to discuss about evaluating messages and images of different types of text reflecting different culture. My evaluation in the picture that you've been seeing in your screen using key concepts are all media message are constructed. Text is about misunderstanding due to differing conception which meet thanks to globalization. It was effective in representing HK message but fails to represent the entire of reality as people visiting other nations rarely are unprepared to communicate in an international level. The message was constructed using visual, gestural, spatial, and linguistic techniques. Text. Media have embedded values and points of view. The lifestyles, values, and point of views represented in the text were those of different people from different countries. There is a lack in understanding in the a translator or someone who have sociolinguistic competence should have been present for the people to understand one another. Each person interprets messages differently. The message that I perceive from the text is misunderstanding due to globalization. Others might understand the message of the text simply as miscommunication. Media have commercial, ideological, or political interest. Media have commercial, ideological, or political interest. The purpose of the text was to shed light on the misunderstanding brought by the interaction between differing kinds of people. The target audience of the text are those people that can read and see as it used written words, spatial, gesture, and visual semiotic system, which all appeals to the sense of sight. More specifically, those that will likely encounter and communicate with other kinds of people who are basically everyone. Those that disadvantage is receive the message of this text are those who are sight impaired and illiterate. The picture was probable made by the organization whose goal is to make awareness about miscommunication due to socio-cultural differences. Media messages are constructed using a creative language having its own rules. The techniques that were applied includes but are not limited to body language and usage of color and symbols. They are effective in supporting the message as they represented in differences of each person. First, the body language represented the differing preconceived notion of the senders, in this case all the standing people. Second, the colors of the skin of the people characterize the different nationality of each person. And lastly, the symbol used as the thought bubbles embodied the misunderstanding by the receivers, in this case all the standing people. There are other ways of presenting the message, such as by using different languages alphabet as the representative of these people's thought. In this way, they will clearly be different from different nations and be obviously ignorant of each other messages.